new person coming on board, definitely just paying attention and listening and learning. Main job was we were a general contractor, so we would frame up houses, we do additions, roofing, siding, a little bit of anything really. So customers would call in and ask, for us to come out and check out things. So a little bit of everything.
Applied on Indeed, and a couple days later, Kurt called me, and I came into the office and told him my story and that I was looking for a company that was gonna take me and kind of shape me into what they needed me to be as far as my skill and learning new things. Kurt gave me a chance and showed me a lot of cool things and let me come on board and really got to know me and opened me up. So I started as a laborer, so I was more or less like a crewman, kind of like a right-hand man for the foreman. So I worked under a couple guys as far as working gutters, a little bit of roofing projects, a little bit of everything. It was kind of like a, hey, all hands on deck to learn roofing and learn everything about roofing. I then got put into repair tech positions, had my own van. I'd go out, customers would call in, hey, I have a problem, I have a leak. I'd go out, fix their problem. I really enjoyed that, actually. That was a really good time, just being able to fix people's issues.
So like Joyland definitely does really good with training. So we will go through different classes. There's different seminars we could go to. There's all sorts of different routes. Every week we train on kind of different techniques. As far as us sales guys, any of the sales guys will sit through different classes that will just teach you how to hone in on some of the important skills of selling and just doing roofing in general. You really want to address the situation as quickly as possible. So you want to be quick at giving to them, addressing the situation, and then also being clear with what's wrong, being clear with the situation, with whatever their needs are, knowing that, what you're telling them is true. So it's very important. Any new person coming on board, definitely just paying attention and listening and learning. It's definitely important.